guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B Smooth. We back at it again. Let's get it. Alright, so today we got 3 cars out here, man. 3. So whew, we got one Silverado here. Let's flip it. We got another Silverado back here. And we got the F-150. We're gonna see if we can get all 3 of these done in a couple of hours. As you can see, I'm already on this one. I don't think he getting done. They little shit to get done now. We getting new radio put in here, or used radio put in here. All right, cool. As you can see, I already did the harness for it. I already got started on this one, pulled this one out. Just trying to make sure I find somewhere where I can run the hot wire. On some of these trucks, you have to run an individual hot wire. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna run that, get that done. Don't pay no attention to that right there. That just there's just so I can make sure that I was getting power to this. Alright, so fuck that, scratch that, let's ride. Alright, this one right here. The heater hose connector is broke on that one, so it's leaking. This one here, it's not getting fired. The ignition coil going bad, and it's leaking fuel. So we got new fuel line there, with new fuel hose connectors, and we got the coil pack up there. We got everything we need to get that one done. He going to get the stuff for this one. This one right here should be finishing up in just a little bit. So with that being said, we looking at one day, 3 cars. Let's goddamn get it. So when you're running wire through the firewall here, I like to use this thing here. This right here actually came from Harbor Freight. It's a wire fisher. Helps out many times with running wire when you can't get your hand in it or clothes hanger or something. Wire fisher, man. I've had that damn thing about 4 years. It's fucked up, but it still do its job. So this motherfucker came with all these damn pieces. But this motherfucker ain't come with no bolt. No bolt. Alright guys, I just finished up this one. Core is installed, truck one starting. I gotta fix one more thing, that's gonna be this gas leak here. Now you just go to it, reach to it. About right off. But he still have gas. So, gonna fix that part now. Oh, just installed a new core. Here's the old core. I know, guys, I am really running. I'm trying to get down these folks shit. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, second one out the way. Overrun. To the next. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I'm back in the truck driving, man. Yes, we did get all the cars completed. Alright. I didn't get no footage of the Silverado because I was pushing it. I was trying to go ahead and get to the house. Alright. So I was out there, I got done with everything around about roughly like 2 something. And I also ended up fixing my cousin Cutler too. I had a little couple of wire issues. I went on and fixed that for him too, so he been put back around to that. So I ain't get no videos. And all that day I was able to fix 5 cars. Alright, I was able to do 5. I was like damn. How the hell you able to do 5? Hey, no shit. My Vicky here, the Volvo, she had a little leak on it. I noticed that when I went through started at the Lowe's one night, and I looked down, I had a little power steering wheel, so I went on and fixed that. Kind of like old fixing line. Then I ended up doing this stereo install, and I ended up turning around and fixing the F-150. Then I turned around and ended up fixing my cousin's truck. Now the thing with that truck is, if anybody got that problem, when you see like got a coolant leak that you can't tell where it come from. Check them little plastic ass pieces that connect. It's a heater hose connectors. Check them motherfuckers, cause they are bad about fucking up on them. They bad. They real bad about fucking up. So make sure you check that. The way I pulled it off, you gonna need. It's like I forgot the name of the tool, but it made like an O. It's a special tool just to remove lines. But I didn't have one, so what I did by being plastic, I took some cutters and I cut down the edge of it, and just until I got it off, and then I just stick the new one on. He ain't got no problem with it, so that's good. Like I say, I hate I couldn't get no video of it, but I was trying to push time because with me doing this little new thing here, and then with my family and stuff, I had to try to still get y'all content, but still do my little time. So I had a video of my ego video. I took it down until I felt like I'm not gonna do it yet. So I took it down, and the reason why, because I'm gonna give it damn near a month, and then I can give y'all the complete rundown. I don't want to give you no week by week rundown. I'm gonna give you the complete rundown of how shit goes. But I don't know what I can say right now. It got its days, man. It got its days. It's up and down. It got its days. You gonna drive, alright? You do 2,000, 2,500 miles a week. You may want to stay at home. You gonna drive. I'm gonna just tell you now, man. But we're gonna talk about that a little later. I'm just gonna be 100% honest with y'all. But like I say, y'all stay tuned, man, because I got more on the way. We're gonna jump back on cabin fever. We're gonna jump back on the house, getting the house done, and we're gonna jump back on Vicky because I got something I want to do to Vicky. So we're gonna jump on Vicky and go and get all that done. So let's get it, man. Alright. I appreciate the support, everybody. I'm out of here.
But I learned from it all. So you can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. No, no. Oh, you can't fool me, baby. You can't fool me, baby. No, no. Try to run it on somebody. You can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. No, no. Oh, you can't fool me, baby. I done been there and done that. So tell the truth and shame the devil. Yeah. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Tell the truth. So tell the truth and shame the devil. You ain't gotta lie. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Get it off your mind. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Get it off your chest. Tell the truth and shame the devil. I ain't nothing wrong with telling the truth. Tell the truth and shame the devil. The truth gon' set you free.